Staying focused in class can be a real challenge, especially when your phone is buzzing or your mind wanders to more exciting things. But what if I told you there are simple strategies you can use to conquer those distractions and actually enjoy learning? Let's dive into some practical tips to help you stay laser focused during lectures and absorb information like a sponge. First things first, preparation is key. Before even stepping foot in the classroom, make sure you've got your essentials covered. This means having all your necessary materials, pens, notebooks, textbooks, readily available. Don't waste precious class time scrambling for a missing highlighter or frantically searching for the right page. A little pre-class organization goes a long way in setting a focused tone for the entire session. Next, consider your environment. Where you sit in the classroom can significantly impact your concentration. Try to find a spot where you can clearly see and hear the instructor without being distracted by other students or windows. Avoid sitting near friends who might tempt you into side conversations. Choose a seat that promotes focus, not friendly chatter. Now let's talk about active listening. It's more than just hearing the words, it's about engaging with the material. Take notes, not just to record information, but to actively process it. Summarize key concepts in your own words. Ask clarifying questions if something isn't clear. Don't be afraid to participate. Asking questions not only helps you understand the material better, but it also keeps you actively engaged in the learning process. Minimize distractions. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial. Put your phone on silent, preferably out of sight. Resist the urge to check social media or text messages. These small interruptions can derail your focus and make it difficult to get back on track. Consider using website blockers or apps that limit access to distracting websites during class time. Beyond the physical environment, your mental state plays a crucial role in focus. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. Exhaustion significantly impairs concentration. Eat a healthy breakfast or lunch to fuel your brain. Dehydration can also affect your ability to focus, so keep a water bottle handy. These seemingly small things can have a huge impact on your ability to concentrate. Finally, remember to take breaks. Prolonged periods of intense focus can lead to burnout. Short, strategic breaks can actually enhance your concentration. Step outside for some fresh air, stretch your legs, or simply close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. These brief respites can help you return to class refreshed and ready to learn. Staying focused in class isn't about superhuman willpower. It's about implementing practical strategies. By preparing adequately, optimizing your environment, actively engaging with the material, minimizing distractions, and taking regular breaks, you can significantly improve your concentration and make